want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution. Oh yeah, we want retribution.
Yo! Kung naligaw ka sa channel ko, malamang sa malamang ay legit kang 90s kid. Hello mga 90s! Welcome back sa ating channel. This is Jay again, ang yung host, isang legit 90s kid. It's now time to transform these and form Tripedacus. Pakita ko lang sa inyo kung paano sila ipag-combine. Ramhorn will form both arms. Cicadacon will form the head of Tripedacus and his wings, and also his chest section. SeaClamp will form the legs and some part of the lower torso. So here we go, let's transform them. So i-detach muna natin yung mga arms nila, weapons nila. Yung shooter ni SeaClamp, yung parang swords ni Cicadacon, and etong claw ni Ramhorn. Pag-combine natin yan maya-maya. So, dyan muna yan. Tatlong types of weapons. Let's start with the most complex one. Si Ramhorn. So, combine na natin yung weapon niya. Ito ang arms niya. Go with the body now. Guys, unfortunately, masyado na masikip etong section na to. Yan. So, dapat ma-split mo yan into half para etong side na to ma-open dun. Kung mapapansin nyo kanina, I'm having difficulty na ma-split tong dalawa. it's not worth it kasi pag pinuwersa ko to, sigurado masisira na to dahil sa brittleness nito. But basically, this is how he looks like. And then, etong section na to, i-attach mo dito sa likod ni Tripedacus. So, yan. Yep. Diyan siya. So, eto, para to yung ma-attach siya na ganyan. And that will form Tripedacus. Ganyan siya actually pag nag-transform na sila into one powerful being. Again, unfortunately, I was not able to combine him. It's not worth it. Ayoko sirain to dahil lang para lang sa isang transformation. So, I will just be posting a picture, an image of how he looks like before when I was still able to transform him. It was years way back when I had a picture of this. But, yep. Eto siya in his transformed Tripedacus mode. This is his arm. You can rotate this 360. Eto hindi masyadong obvious kung ano itsura ng arm niya. Eto si Cicadacon. As you can see. Yan, there we go. And parang magmukhang medyo presentable. So, SeaClamp is the legs, Ramhorn is the arms, and this is the formed weapon. It's a combination of the weapon of the three robots. Ito yung weapon ni Cicadacon, weapon ni SeaClamp, and weapon ni Ramhorn. Malaki siya for comparison purpose. Ito si Optimus Primal, and this is Tripedacus. Ayan. So, mas malaki siya kay Optimus Primal. Pero in terms of stiffness, durability, or sturdiness, mas sturdy si Optimus siya. Pero yan, maangas siya. I'll just post a picture of how Tripedacus should look like. But you have an idea on how his transformation sequence is done. So, that's it. So guys, I hope you do like and enjoyed this episode for today. Again, I'm sorry. It's not worth it na i-force ko na mag-transform to. Masisira kasi. Please do like and subscribe and comment. Any feedback would be appreciated. Please share with your friends as well. Stay safe, everyone. Cheers. Wait for the next and last episode of this Beast Wars Transformer series.